Hello, my name is Liza. Happy Halloween! Today is my very last Halloween project to share with you. And all I did was Mod Podge some Dollar Tree plates. So what you're going to need from Dollar Tree is the dinner size plate. And then I used the Target Dollar Spot bandana. It actually can cover 2 plates, so I only needed 3 for my 6 plates. I used dishwasher safe Mod Podge. And the first thing I did was on the underside of the plate, I gave it a heavy coat of Mod Podge. Then I laid my bandana on top of the Mod Podge and smoothed it all out and made sure it went to the rim. And then I put one more layer of Mod Podge on the top of it, and I let it all completely dry. Once it was dry, it was stiff enough that I could trim it to fit the plate. So this is the underside, and this is the top, the glass side. And I gave it 2 additional layers of Mod Podge drying in between. That was so that it would be dishwasher safe next year. This was my place setting last year. That was a Home Goods skeleton head salad plate and a Michael's charger. And here is my Dollar Tree clear plate that I just made sitting on the charger. And then I added my skeleton head, and I think it came out perfectly. And here is my Tablescape. It's looking spooky. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed our final Halloween project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and let me know which way you preferred it, with the skeleton head plate or without. And Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care. Thanks for sticking around. Here's Quarantino doing a little quality control, making sure the Tablescape is perfect. Happy Halloween!